Because owls are masters of silent flight. And with that, let's meet our lovely owls right here. We have Soren, our white owl, as well as Latif, our Malay fish owl.
Well, Joe, you mentioned about silent flight, right? So the reason why owls are capable of flying silently is because, unlike other birds of prey, owls have this extremely soft edge at the tip of their feathers. So the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will be absorbed by those feathers. Well, that's not it. These birds have got excellent eyesight as well. They have binocular vision.
That's right. Now speaking about their eyes, did you know that the color of an owl's eyes tells you when they hunt? So owls with yellow eyes, they hunt during the day. Owls with orange eyes, they hunt during sunrise and sunset. Now owls with dark eyes, they hunt during the night time. And with that, I think Latif and Soren has done a wonderful job. It's time they take that home. So let's give it up for Latif and Soren, our lovely owls and lovely